Hi everyone. This is a revolutionary design for chicken nest or cages. This is fully portable. Here introducing Eggery. This is main entrance door. Yes, it will upgraded to smart door with open and closed according to time. Yes, you don't have to worry about to open every morning or close night. This is back side door. Now you can see inside of the Eggery. There have large space to chickens. You don't want to worry again about chickens protection. The Eggery will get responsible for all the things. The right side specially designed for stay chickens healthy and freedomly staying. The left side keep separated for egg production for chickens. This small door used to pick eggs safely. Hey, this is one of special feature designs for cleaning Eggery. The bottom part specially designed with a removable dust bin you can easily remove and clean. It will keep clean and tidy.